In this video, you will learn how to curl your lashes without an eyelash curler. And this is actually a trick that I learned from the Bobbi masterclass, where she has shown it on the model, and it went so fast and quick that I was so surprised that I had to try it out myself. Because why bothering with an eyelash curler if you can also do it without? And this is also what I'm going to show you in today's video. Now, just because I'm a makeup artist doesn't mean that I know every tip and trick, that I know every beautiful way on how you can apply certain products. I like to try out different ways on how I'm applying a product and also what will work best also on myself, which I then can show to you. But if I also can get some different ideas from different makeup artists, and I can also include it in my makeup routine because it actually worked, then this is also something that I wanted to share with you. Now, this means that I'm always going to continue learning new ways on application. Also, we'll learn from my mistakes, and this is how you can actually get better in what you're doing the best. Now, when it comes to the tools that you will need, it is very simple. All you need is a black mascara and clean fingers. So let's get started with the first step, which is putting on mascara to your lashes. Now, when it comes to the lashes, I definitely would recommend you 2 to 3 coats of mascaras, but I personally do not like to use 4 to 5 coats of mascaras, even though this is also something that Bobbi Brown herself likes the most. But it depends also on the mascara that you're having, then it can clump the lashes together. But if you have a really good mascara, it won't happen. And so with the black, it also will open the eye extremely. This is also why I personally also like to stick with the black mascara. Now, the best way is that you're going to focus for this technique towards the upper lashes, and this is also where I'm going to apply the mascara. Now, by the way, a simple trick on how you can apply a mascara without messing up your eyelid area is by looking down into a mirror and then apply the mascara. This way you will have a clean application. So let's move on to the next step, which is curling the lashes. And for that you will need to have your clean fingers, as once the mascara is starting to dry, this is the moment that you should also curl your lashes. And this is only by pressing with your fingers upwards so that you will get a nice curl to your lashes. And this is really simple. I couldn't believe it how easy this trick is. And it actually works. Now, I told you that this is a very simple and quick tip, and I do hope that you really can see the difference, that you also enjoyed this trick, and that you can also try out for yourself, and you don't have to use the clamps from your eyelash curler to pinch your eye with, but you also can just use your clean fingers for an easier way of curling your lashes. Now, this was the short trick that I wanted to share with you guys. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well as share it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!